Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Capital One credit card to Bank Account UK. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So there's going to be a few steps you need to do here for you to make this transaction. Now, first step, begin by logging into your account either through the online portal or using the Capital One mobile app. Now, to download the app, simply text GET to 80101. Now for the second step, once you're logged in, choose a specific account and then navigate to the top of your account page to find the option labeled Transfer or Transfer Money. Now for step 3, on the transfer page, select the accounts you want to transfer funds from and the To section. Now additionally, indicate the transfer frequency, choose a date for the transfer and input the amount you wish to transfer. You have the flexibility to schedule the transfer for a later date or set up a repeating transfer. At this stage, you can also include a memo to add any relevant details to the transaction. Now for the final step, after confirming all the details, click or slide the transfer button to execute the transfer. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.